everyone. For any rational numbers a and b, we're going to find the value of a plus b given this logarithmic equation with logs in it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is simplify this a little bit. This has a base 10. This has a base 8. So the first thing I'll do is write this as a log base 10. And I also can write this 20 as 2 times 10. Now for this piece, I'm going to use this formula here and switch the bases. So it's already in fraction form, so now I can write it as b times log and switch the bases. So this is going to be, instead of a fraction, we have it in this form here. Let me write it bigger for you. Log base b of a equals 1 divided by log base a of b. So we have this form. I'm going to write it in this form. And we have 100, which I'm going to call it's 10 squared. And then the 8 goes here. And then plus 5 equals 0. All right. So basically, let's expand this using our product rule for logs. So this is going to be a times log base 10 of 2 plus log base 10 of 10. Now that's why I separated this out as 2 times 10, because our base was 10. Because I know log base 10 of 10 is 1, which will be helpful. Okay, for this one, we have, let's just write this as b times log base 10 squared of 2 cubed. And then we have the plus 5 equals 0. All right. I'm going to copy this down real quick because this one's good to go. All right. For this this part here, this is a root and this is a power. So using your power principle, I'm going to move the 3 out, but the 2 is going to be 1/2. So we're going to write this as 3 times b, and the 2 is a root part, so that's divided by 2. All right, and then we're going to just have log base 10 of 2. All right, and then we have the plus 5 equals 0. All right, from here, we can factor out this equals 1, right? And what I'm going to do is factor out, we have 2 of these log base 10 of 2's here. So I'm going to factor this out because we're trying to find a and b anyway. So this is going to be a plus 3b divided by 2 times log base 10 of 2. Now, since this is 1, and if you distribute the a, 1 times a is a, so you're going to get plus a, and then we still have this plus 5 equals 0. Since a and b are rational numbers, these are rationals, our log base 10 of 2 is irrational. So basically I can set this equal to 0 and this part equal to 0 to solve for a and b. So that's going to give me a plus 3b divided by 2 equals 0. We're just looking for the rational ones, not the irrational. And we also have a plus 5 equals 0. So now we know that a is negative 5. If a is negative 5, substitute that back in here to this equation. So negative 5 plus 3b divided by 2 equals 0. Or we can do this, I have a 2 here. Let's don't do it that way. Let's make this a 2. So this will be negative 10 plus 3b. instead of that, let's just add 5 to both sides. So we have 3b divided by 2 equals 5. I was overcomplicating it. You cross multiply, you get 3b equals 10. So b equals 10 divided by 3. And now all we have to do is add a plus b. So that's going to be negative 5 plus 10 divided by 3. So this is going to be negative 15 divided by 3 plus 10 divided by 3. And this is going to give you negative 5 divided by 3 is the value of a plus b. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.